Shrinking fabrics. Know your laundry better.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common laundry issue, fabric shrinkage. Have you ever wondered why some of your clothes come out of the dryer a size smaller? Well, it has a lot to do with the type of fabric. Let's uncover which fabrics are most likely to shrink in the dryer and some tips on how to prevent it.
Why do fabrics shrink?
Fabrics shrink due to a process called felting. When heat and agitation, like in a dryer, are applied to certain fabrics, the fibers constrict and get tangled up with each other, causing the fabric to shrink. Natural fibers such as wool and cotton are especially prone to this.
Which fabrics are more likely to shrink?
Wool is the fabric most prone to shrinkage. It's comprised of protein fibers that can easily get tangled, causing the fabric to shrink significantly. Cotton is another fabric that often shrinks. Cotton fibers are straight in their natural state but get twisted during the manufacturing process. Heat from the dryer can cause these fibers to return to their original, shorter state. Linen is made from the flax plant. Like cotton, it's prone to shrinkage because heat and agitation can cause the fibers to contract. Silk also tends to shrink under high heat, and it's generally recommended to hand wash silk items or use a delicate cycle with cold water.
How can we prevent fabric shrinkage?
Preventing fabric shrinkage primarily involves altering the way you wash and dry your clothes. 1. Read the care label. The care label on your clothes will provide essential information on how to properly clean them. 2. Use cold water. Washing clothes in cold water can help prevent shrinkage, as high heat is a major factor in causing fabrics to shrink. 3. Air dry when possible. Air drying is the most gentle method and is less likely to cause shrinkage. 4. Avoid over-drying. If you need to use a dryer, try to avoid over-drying your clothes. The longer they're exposed to high heat, the more they'll shrink. There you have it. The mystery behind shrinking clothes is mostly about the type of fabric and the heat. By knowing more about your fabrics, and with a few simple changes in your washing and drying habits, you can help keep your clothes fitting just right. We hope this video has been informative and helps you better care for your clothes in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy laundering!